Hey crafty people, it's Tasha. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be playing with some more of Spellbinders' latest release, the Stitched Alphabet, along with some of the May Glimmer of the Month set. So I need to work out better how I'm going to film doing the Glimmer, because I thought I was in shot when I put that together, but I wasn't. So it comes with 4 little pieces that you can foil that become like the inside detail of the wings. So I'm foiling them onto my new favourite foil cardstock, the glossy white from Erin Lee, and I'm doing it with it's like Aura, I think, the silver one of those. I can never remember which is which, but I will have it linked below. So I foiled that into the white glossy cardstock, and then you can just about see some of the foil peeling, but again, yeah, didn't really get that in and thought I had. Sorry about that. So once I'd foiled that, I then die cut using the die that you get, and you can use those edges of that butterfly to create like stitching details if you want, but I decided not to for this project. So for the 2 pieces for the butterfly's body and antenna, I cut that from some solid foil. Just whenever I've got foil left over and I don't want to foil the negative, I just like to foil that, and then I put that aside for die cuts like this. So I stuck it together, and I'm just using my reverse tweezers there to hold those antennae in place. So I'd also got this background piece foiled with the previous month's Glimmer of the Month using that same foil. So I decided that I was going to just go really minimalist with this, which is not me really, but I had a person in mind for this and I thought that they would like it. So those leaves are from a previous large die of the month. I cut them from white. I was originally going to keep them just white, but I realised I needed a little bit of something to help them really pop off the rest of the design. So I just used what green ink I had left on my green blending sponge. So now I'm going to just sort of position these how I'd kind of got it in my mind. This is what I was going to do. And a lot of the times when I do that, it doesn't actually work, but I was really happy to see that it did this time. So I just added a line of glue down the centre of those leaves. I want to say Monstera, I think that's what they are, but forgive me if they're not. Just so that I could pop up the edges a little bit to give it a little bit more dimension and interest, because, you know, there's not a lot of colour going on here. So we want to add some interest where we can. So I cut the stitched alpha I. I cut the actual stitching letter part from some holographic paper that I've got in my stash. The shadow is cut from the same white cardstock, and I'm just popping that up on some foam, and then I've added the butterfly there, again the same as I did with the Monstera leaves. I've just put glue down the centre of the back, and then I've got both of the wings popped up. So if this was going through the post, yes, it would get squished, but I knew that I was going to be hand delivering it, so I knew that I was safe having those pieces and having the wing hang off the card as much as it did. I really like how it turned out. So do you like to push yourself out of your comfort zone? I'd love to know. If you are inspired by any of the products that I've used in today's video, I have got them all linked below. They are affiliate links, which costs you nothing extra. It just really helps me. But if you are going to use those, please do make sure that you don't turn off your cookies when you go to the website. Otherwise, it won't track as a sale. It won't track back to me. Thank you to everyone for your support. I hope that you have a lovely, happy, safe and wonderful week. Stay crafty. Bye.